welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing about Fourier series. Okay, so first we'll discuss about the definition. What is Fourier series? So basic definition is given: an expansion of a function. You take any function f of x. Okay, in a series of sines and cosines. In terms of what sines and cosines? So f of x we can write it as a0 by 2 plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by l plus summation of n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by l. Okay, so this is the basic thing you need to understand. Okay, basic terms. So here you can see that it is f of x function is expressed in terms of cos and sin. It is basically expressed in terms of cos and sin. Now we have to discuss what is a0, what is an, and what is b, how to calculate and all. Okay, so if a function is given f of x, okay, and it is given that it lies between the interval of a to a plus 2l, or we can consider c to c plus 2l, anything. Okay, anything is fine. So a to a plus 2l, or we can consider or c to c plus 2l. Now we have to understand this is nothing but what? Interval. Okay, now, we have seen that we have to calculate what? A0. So a0 is nothing but 1 by l integral of c to c plus 2l, or we can write a to a plus 2l f of x into f of x dx. Okay, then a n we have to calculate, that is nothing but 1 by l integral of c to c plus 2l f of x into cos n pi x by l dx. Fine. So what will be bn? Bn will be 1 by l integral of c to c plus 2l f of x. Sine will come here instead of cos, and this becomes the formula. Right. So in this you need to understand what is a0, an, and bn. A0, an, and bn is nothing but what? They are Fourier coefficients. Okay, they are Fourier coefficients. Okay, now L is nothing but the interval, we can say. So if we consider interval minus pi to pi, okay, this is the interval. So this is nothing but what? If we compare this with this c to c plus 2l, pi minus pi is a, and this is pi is a plus 2l, or we can consider c and c plus 2l. Okay, now what will be L? L is nothing but the a plus 2l minus a plus 2l minus a. Okay, so L is nothing but, or we can say c plus 2l minus c. Basically the upper limit minus the lower limit. Okay. Upper minus lower. This is nothing but what? L. We'll do some problems based on this so that you can clearly understand.